Guys, Augusto here from Augustovlogs. I am at the Pirate Museum, okay? So here you are going to see artifacts, okay, of things that were recovered in ships that were wrecked before, okay? All the things they found in the bottom of the ocean, okay? So let's see. Okay, it's like this ceramic jars. They are 2,000-year-old, guys, found on the bottom of the ocean. Okay. So, like this round thing over here, it's called an astrolabe. Okay, that's how the people maneuvering the ship, they would find where they had to go, would give them direction, okay? There is about just 120 things of those in the world. Okay, guys, here you see all the bottles over here, okay? But in the computer screen, if you want to know about this one over here, you touch and then you can find the information about it. It's really cool, okay? That bottle was used for herbs. This bottle over here used to kill cockroaches. Guys, here is one of the guns, okay, but it's all rusty. You cannot really see much other than this thing over here. So all these shipwrecks, they were around the Virgin Islands. Okay, those are islands that belong to the United States, and usually there were fights against or between England and France at that time. Guys, look how cool. These jugs over here, people used to bring things inside it, okay? So they were used to transport food and drinks. Here we have some pirate flags. Maybe you have seen some of these before. Guys, this is the simulation of a hurricane. So the wind is picking up. You see, the wind inside the cabin is getting really strong. The wind is up to 63 now, miles per hour. Guys, this here is a sonar, okay? Then it goes down and takes pictures. Then this machine over here goes to pick up the things that are on the bottom of the ocean, okay? Look at this, has an arm, a mechanical arm, and we will find coins, we will find bottles. Okay, the coins are put over there to get cleaned, and this can take up to lift 600 kilos or 600 pounds, sorry. So it's amazing. Okay, this is, you know, very, very important in finding all these objects and retrieving them. Guys, I'm going to end my video over here. Thank you for watching Augustovlogs. Please give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye from St. Thomas.